Paneer tandoori at home. Simple, quick and easy method of making paneer tikka or paneer tandoori with green chutney. Look at the smoke. It is full of delicious aroma of this paneer tandoori or paneer tikka, also called as paneer shaslik. If you do not have a barbecue pit, you can take an empty earthenware pot used for potted plants. Keep the burning coal inside it and place the skewers on the rim of the pot. This is how the ready paneer tikka looks like. Very tasty and quick to make. We will need half a kilo paneer cut into cubes, 3 capsicums which are cut into squares so that they can be pushed onto the skewers easily. This is 1 packet of mushrooms washed well, 2 onions which are cut into 4 pieces and the layers are separated like this. 8 baby corns cut into pieces about half an inch thick, 2 green chilies chopped fine and a cup of coriander leaves. Take a mixie jar and in that you add coriander leaves, green chilies, half a teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. We grind it in a smooth paste in a mixie. Pour this paste in a steel container. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of yogurt or curds. Stir it well like this. Take 2 tablespoon besan or gram flour and roast it on a medium flame for about 5 minutes in a pan till the raw smell of the besan goes away and it should become slightly golden brown in color. Then we put off the fire. This besan or gram flour we need to add to the green paste that we made so that the marinade sticks to the paneer and the vegetables. Forms a good coating over them. Add salt according to taste and stir it nicely. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to this. Now add paneer pieces gently or else the paneer pieces may break. Gently marinate them. Slowly, gently coat each and every piece of paneer with this mixture. All the marinated paneer pieces are out and now what you're going to do is add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into this. Each and every piece of paneer should get very well coated with the mixture as well as the oil. In the remaining masala from where we took out the paneer, we add capsicum, baby corn, onions and even mushrooms and we mix it very well. To this mixture, we will add 2 tablespoons of oil as well and make sure that all the pieces are very well coated with oil. This will help when we barbecue it. We arrange all the pieces of paneer and vegetables on the skewers like so. Paneer, then capsicum, then onion, baby corn, mushroom, whichever way you want to arrange them. But make sure that the skewers are kept in the water for 15 minutes to treat them. Otherwise they'll catch fire once you keep them on the barbecue pit. Okay? Top it with a paneer piece like this and now our skewers for barbecuing are ready. Let us see how we barbecue them.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, lovely. This is looking nice.
Lance,
This one is done,
can you
right?
get a plate and come please?
The center one you just need to hold because the other side is not cooking.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
The delicious aroma of paneer tandoori is everywhere. See, this is how it is ready to be served. Try it out and tell me in the comment box how it turned out to be. Thank you for your precious time.